You know, by now, one thing has become crystal clear. Not all fabrics are created equal.
We've talked about how cotton is super breathable but wrinkles if you just look at it wrong. Wool keeps us cozy and warm but demands some gentle handling.
Denim is tough as nails, but also pretty heavy. And synthetic fabrics,
They're durable, but sometimes you wish they could just breathe a little. But here is the truth that catches a lot of people by surprise. Buying the right fabric is only half the battle.
the other half, the part that really makes a difference,
Is knowing how to take care of it properly.
let's go back to our friend Tanda. After learning all about different fabrics, he started noticing something he'd always ignored before, the tiny little label stitched inside his clothes. One evening, while doing his laundry, he finally read the instructions on his new shirt. Wash in cold water, do not bleach, iron at low temperature before that moment. He probably thought those were just suggestions.
But they're not. They're the secret code to keeping your clothes looking great.
Those little labels are packed with crucial information on how to treat the fabric.
Ignoring them is one of the fastest ways to ruin your favorite shirt.
Think about how most of us do laundry. We just toss everything into the machine together, right? Shirts, towels, jeans, delicate blouses, all in one big happy family.
While it definitely saves a few minutes, it can be a death sentence for your clothes. That heavy denim rubbing against your soft cotton tees.
It's causing them to wear out way faster. Those delicate fabrics can get stretched out or lose their shape entirely. And don't even get me started on colors bleeding, especially with new clothes.
This is why one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can build is sorting your clothes before you wash them.
Just separate them into a few basic groups: lights, darks, heavy fabrics like jeans, and delicates.
This one simple step can protect your fabrics and make them last so much longer.
Another major player in the laundry game is water temperature.
Different fabrics react to heat in completely different ways. Hot water is great for some things, but it can shrink natural fabrics like cotton or wool into doll-sized versions of themselves. Cold water, on the other hand, is the gentle giant of laundry. It's much safer for most of your everyday clothes, helping to prevent shrinking and fading.
Plus, a huge bonus, washing in cold water saves a ton of energy, which is great for your wallet and the planet.
Then we have drying. The dryer is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some fabrics can handle the heat, but others need to air dry.
For example, if you hang a wool sweater or blast it with high heat, it's going to get all stretched out and misshapen.
The best way to dry a wool sweater is to lay it flat so it keeps its original form.
Cotton clothes can also shrink if they get too hot in the dryer.
Meanwhile, synthetic fabrics like polyester or chems, they usually dry super fast and hold their shape perfectly.
Understanding these little details can make a massive difference in how long your clothes last.
But fabric care doesn't stop at the laundry room. It extends to how you store your clothes.
Imagine just stuffing your clean clothes into a drawer without folding them.
Some fabrics will get so deeply wrinkled you'll need a steamroller to get them out.
Others can stretch out if you hang them on the wrong kind of hanger. Those heavy winter coats,
They can lose their shape if you put them on a flimsy wire hanger. Developing good storage habits keeps your clothes neat, tidy, and ready to wear when you are.
even something as simple as ironing requires a bit of fabric knowledge.
Cotton can usually handle high heat, no problem. But if you try that with a synthetic fabric, you could literally melt it. That's why most irons have different settings for cotton, wool, and synthetics.
Using the right setting is your best defense against accidentally ruining your clothes.
Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. When you understand fabrics and how to care for them, a lot of amazing things start to happen.
Your clothes last longer, which means your home textiles stay in better condition. You end up spending less money on replacing damaged items, and you feel more confident when you are out shopping because you know how to choose clothes that fit your lifestyle and how to maintain them.
For a student, this knowledge is a lifesaver for managing a tight budget. For a family, it cuts down on unnecessary waste.
And for anyone in the fashion or laundry business, this is a core professional skill. The truth is, this simple topic of fabrics connects to so many parts of our daily lives. It affects our comfort, our appearance, our household expenses, and even our environmental impact. The longer our clothes last, the less waste we create.
So, let's do a quick recap of the key lessons.
First, fabrics come from all sorts of places: plants, animals, and synthetic materials.
Second, every fabric has unique properties that make it suitable for different uses.
Cotton is for comfort,
Wool is for warmth, denim is for durability, and synthetics are for easy care. And third, and most importantly, Caring for your fabrics correctly is just as crucial as choosing the right ones in the first place.
Simple habits like sorting your laundry, using the right water temperature, drying your clothes properly, and actually reading those care labels can make your clothes last for years.
It might seem like small stuff, but it makes your everyday life so much more efficient and economical.
This isn't just theory.
It's practical knowledge that genuinely improves your daily life.
The more you understand the materials you use every day, the smarter your choices become. And that knowledge, knowing the difference between fabrics and how to care for them, is a life skill that will stay with you forever. If you want to keep learning practical life skills that make your life easier, smarter,
and more efficient, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick with us for the next lesson.
Thanks for watching.